Now, for whatever reason you want to blame it on, it seems as though Terra Luna Classic wants to move lower. It seems as though the bears are outweighing the bulls right now, and downward pressure is going to test the next level of support before we test the next level of resistance. And the next level of support is at 12,500 points per coin. We're going to be talking a little bit about the technicals going on with Terra Luna Classic, and we're going to be talking about that spend proposal out there as well. $16,000 is a lot of money, guys. Now, it's a lot less than some of the other proposals that we've seen in the past, but it's still a lot of money. So we're going to break it down, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going out there to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch. Absolutely appreciate all of the support you guys are showing. And even if you don't want to buy some, make sure to check it out. Let me know what you guys think of it. And hopefully, if you do grab some, you're able to leave a 5-star review on there, because a lot of you guys do seem to be very pleased, and of course that makes me extremely happy. But I'm going to be jumping into Terra Luna Classic in this video because people get nervous. Right? People get nervous when the price begins to move lower, and you have to remember that we are still above, well above, 100% above levels that we were trading at just 2 months ago. But because of the 50-60% decline that we have seen over the last, what is that, about a month there, people look at it in a very bearish way. Instead of saying, oh, you know what, we're still up 200, we're still up 150% from where we were 3 months ago, it's all relative to the more shorter time period. So Terra Luna Classic, when was this? Terra Luna Classic on December 3rd was reaching the recent high of 28,000 points per coin. Since then, it bounced off and very quickly began to move lower, and today it's trading around 14,700 points per coin. Yesterday, last night, we fell to a level of about 13,000 points per coin, which is the lowest that we have seen since the rally at the beginning of December. Now, 1 month is long enough to begin to form a trend line, and we have seen nothing but essentially declines since the beginning of December here. Declines that brought us down to that 16,000 point per coin mark. Support held up throughout almost the entire month of December at that 16,000 point per coin mark, but it does seem as though right now that the bears are trying their hardest to push Terra Luna Classic down through that 16,000 point per coin mark. Maybe we can recover back up above it. We wicked down to 13 yesterday. We're floating in the 14-15 area right now. Maybe we can recover back up above that 16,000. If we do not, guys, the next level of support, technically speaking, is the 12,500 point per coin range. Now, that is a very strong level of support, but it's, you know, still another 15% decline from where we are right now, and I know nobody wants to be sitting on losses. So please, do what you will with that information, but know that these technical levels of support and resistance, they are real. They're not guaranteed, but they are real. Now, speaking of what is real, we absolutely need to discuss the proposals that are going on out there right now, because they are real and they're going to have real implications on what's going on in the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. We have seen the 800 million USTC wallet thing not pass. We have seen burn taxes not pass. Right now, we do have one that is passing, and this is to create an official community commonwealth platform. Okay, this proposal ends, this is today, right? Yes, this proposal ends today. And right now it's got 78% yes votes, 10% no, 0.50% no with veto, and only 10% voting to abstain. It has 538 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for, and it is passing and seems as though it will pass. All nodes has come in and voted yes on this one, so it is currently passing and has a very small chance of not passing. We need to talk about this one though, right? Genuine Labs Terra Classic development proposal. This carries a 6-week duration and a $16,000 spend. So let's go over this real quick. It says, introduction. Our team, comprising 2 senior developers, Nguyen and Min, and 1 junior developer, Dong, is committed to contributing to the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. With our extensive experience in the Cosmos stacks, we aim to enhance Terra Classic's importance in the Cosmos ecosystems. And the team members, we got the 2 senior developers and Dong, the junior developer that we just discussed. Experience, development of the fee abstraction module, conducting persistence audits. You've got contributions to Osmosis, Quicksilver, Stride, and Composable. Work on core repositories like Gravity Bridge, IBC Go, Cosmos SDK, GitHub profiles, and they got those hidden there. If you want to click on them, you can go check on them. Proposal overview. We propose to work collaboratively with the Layer 1 team on Terra Luna Classic, focusing on integrating and improving the IBC hooks and packet forward middleware features, as well as enhancing the end-to-end testing and interchain testing for the fee tax charging mechanism. IBC hooks and packet forward middleware integration. You got a hidden link there. Objective. Collaborate with the Layer 1 team to integrate IBC hooks and packet forward middleware into Terra Luna Classic as outlined in the thing there. Benefits. Enhancing liquidity in cross-chain DeFi applications through IBC hooks. Inter-blockchain communication is what IBC stands for. Facilitating direct DApp interaction on Terra Luna Classic through these IBC hook token transfers. Improving and integrating testing mechanisms. Objective. Develop and integrate comprehensive E2E and interchain tests for the existing and upcoming fee tax mechanism on Terra Luna Classic. Benefits. Ensuring the efficiency and reliability of the tax mechanism, simulating real-world scenarios, thorough testing, accelerating the development and implementation process, code-based maintenance. Collaborate with the existing Terra Luna Classic teams to maintain and enhance the code base. You've got development plan. Phase 1, research and development, is 4 weeks long. In-depth research on IBC hooks and PFM. Collaboration with Layer 1 teams for module review and testing. Development on E2E, end-to-end, and interchain tests for IBC hooks, PFM, and fee tax mechanism. Phase 2, release and documentation. This is going to take 2 weeks. Preparation of developer documentation and resources. Coordinating with the Terra Luna Classic teams for the release of the updated version with new features and mechanisms. And the estimated timeline and budget is the 6-week timeline with a $16,000 budget. Right now, 87% yes votes, 0.94% no, 0.93% no with veto, and 10% voting to abstain. This is gaining a lot of traction. And this is not gaining a lot of attention as far as I'm concerned with the spend proposals that we have seen in the past on Terra Luna Classic and the debates that we have seen in the past on Terra Luna Classic on X. Right now, 260 billion Terra Luna Classic is voted for. Very few no votes, very few votes to abstain, and a whopping 80, almost 88% voting yes on this proposal. So what do you guys think about spending $16,000 to have these 3 guys work on research and development for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain? Let me know what you think down there, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.